This is a barbell back squat. My client Julia is going to demonstrate for us. Okay, Julia, get in position. She's stepping into the movement. The bar is sitting on her traps, grasping the bar with her hands just past shoulder width. She's going to pick the bar up off of the stops, take 2 steps back. Her feet are just past shoulder width, toes pointed out slightly. As she lowers the weight, she's going to keep her chest tall. Her butt is going to get kicked out. Go ahead, Julia. She's going parallel to the floor. She's driving off her heels. Her knees are staying out like a catcher would, going down into position. Nice, slow and controlled movement. She is not letting the weight drop quickly. She's controlling it the entire way. Then when she finishes the movement, she's going to walk the bar back to the stops. I will help her. Say it.
That's it.